Hello my friends, welcome back to Raleigh Art Studio and Art with Ms. Little. Today I'm going to show you how fun it is and how easy it is to draw some farm animals. So we are going to start with a chicken or rooster, and then we're going to draw a cow and a pig. It's going to be lots of fun. So let's think, if we're going to start with a chicken. Chicken starts with what letter? The letter C. So let's sit up nice and tall. Let's think of an I am statement for C. I am creative. That's perfect. So sit up tall, breathe it in. I am creative. Hold it and release it. I am creative. Breathe it in. Hold it and release it. One more time. I am creative. Breathe it in. Hold it and release it. So, I want you to get your pencil and paper ready. I have a paper up here and a pencil right here. We're going to start with some shapes. So, I'm going to draw a rooster. And we're going to start with a semicircle. That's like a circle cut in half. So watch what I do. I'm going to draw a straight line here and a semicircle here. I'm going to trace it later with a Sharpie so you can see it. A Sharpie is a marker. Now I'm going to draw his head, which is just, it's like a part of an oval. So right here at the tip of my semicircle, I'm going to draw a line up and back down again. And then we're going to draw a triangle here for the beak. I'm going to put my beak in a little bit and draw a line. I'm going to draw a circle for the eye. I'm going to give him his, I think it's called a cone. And his wattle thing at the bottom. Now we'll give him a tail. That's pretty easy. It's just going to be some lines, or you can make them curve back up. Let's give him a wing, which is another semicircle, and two legs. We're just going to do lines for that too. How easy was that? I'm going to take a marker and show you how fun it is to add color. We're going to color this and this. Give his tail a little color. Let's see. Let's get another color. Let's do that part. And we'll give him... Look how fun this is. Ooh, let's add some more color. Color is fun. Let's see, I like purple. Now I want to see if you can draw a chicken or a rooster like that and show it to me, okay? It's just easy shapes and lines, and add some color. Next, let's draw a cow. Cow also starts with the letter C. I'll put my tape back up here so my paper will stick. And get a new piece of paper. And we're going to start with the body. What shape do you think we'll do for the body? What shape is this? Yep, that's a rectangle. We're going to draw a rectangle here. Then we're going to draw his head. Now, his head it's almost like a cylinder, but not really. So watch what I do. I'm going to draw a line here. I'm going to pull it in, and give his snout oval. And we're going to give him two horns and 2 ears and 2 eyes and a nose and a mouth. You can add his neck a little bit if you want to. Give him a tail. How many legs does a cow have? Yep, 4. We'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4. The back legs are a little bit shorter. In real life, they're not really shorter, but they just look that way. I'm going to give him a hoof. It's like a parallelogram. You can give it some spots. I'm going to trace my cow. Let's see. We're going to do a... I'm going to draw a blue cow. You notice I didn't trace everything because I'm going to add some more colors. Let's see. I'm going to give him a little pink snout. And, oh, we'll do some magenta spots. I like that. Did you draw a cow? I hope so. If you did, maybe you can show it to me. Okay? We're going to draw one more animal today. The next animal is going to be a pig. What letter does pig start with? Yes, it starts with a P. You could breathe in I am peaceful. Or I am powerful. That's even better. The P's very fun and easy to do. We're going to start with basic shape being a circle. So watch what I do. I'm going to draw a big circle because I want a big pig. Then I'm going to give my pig 2 ears. They're just triangles. I'm going to give him a snout, and that's going to be a circle or an oval. And a little mouth. I'm going to give him 2 big eyes. He's going to be looking over there at the cow. And give him 2 legs. This is kind of a funny looking pig. But I think he's cute. And a curly tail. That was pretty easy. I'm not going to trace that one for you because we might run out of time. So I want you to be proud of what you do with your lines and your shapes and your colors. And I want you to draw a rooster. I want you to draw a cow. And I want you to draw a pig. Have fun with that. And I hope I get to see your work soon. Until then, and until next time, stay well, stay blessed, and know that I love you.